Hail or wind damage? Repair your home with no out-of-pocket expense. Specializing in roofing, siding, gutters, windows, and much more. No job is too big or too small. Quality you can always count on. Give us a call, 773-980-8943. Prime quality restoration services in Chicago and the Chicago metropolitan area. Superior workmanship and service. We strive to always be the best. Top quality roofing repair and services. Broadest choice of siding materials and styles. Quality gutters, parts, and accessories. And more restoration products and services. What are you waiting for? Give us a call, 773-980-8943. Or visit our website, www.chitownrestoration.com.